this will be my room for this will be my office right here. I already have my rack of clothes in here. I have to clean the windowsill. I have to clean it some more, take off that aluminum foil and the tape. That is coming off, and the aluminum, that one, I don't know if I'm gonna keep that up or just take it down little by little. I sure don't want my grandkids coming in here. This is where I'll be photographing and all that, so I'm gonna need light bulbs. I need the LED lights. That's coming down as well. A lot of work to do. Those pictures, they're gonna have to come down because they're not mine. They belong to Marcus's brother. These are little knickknacks on the shelf. That's gonna come down as well. Those two. I have to take everything off the table, take this off, replace it. I'll probably end up just washing it and cleaning the plastic and putting it back up, but the bottom needs to be varnished. And it already came with the air conditioner and the heater. I'm going to show you the outside. This is the porch that Marcus will be sitting at. It has lattice. This color of paint is going to come off. It's going to be the color of the house instead. It has new windows, so I'm grateful for that. All of this needs to come off the fence. All this is going to come off, and we're going to put carpet grass. It has the air conditioner already in the master bedroom where I'm going to be staying at, me and Marcus. So it's got the fence already. It has an old swing set. This, I'm sure his brother's going to end up taking. And if he doesn't, we can just put a tarp over it and use it for when we're barbecuing. So it was not cleaned before. Now it's cleaned. I just have to go do another once over on the cleaning part. And then I put these curtains that I had in my store. They are new. So I guess I didn't sell them for a reason. They were in my store like forever. I would have to get some calcium cleaner to clean that. I did get to clean around the toilet, but I just need something for that. The sink is clean. I just need to go over it again. And I have in here, I have what I had in my other restroom. It says, "Be your own kind of beautiful." I'm gonna change these curtains because they've been there for years already. This is what the window looks like. You can tell that it is new. So little by little, it'll get better and better. So we're gonna be moving in this Saturday. Today we are Wednesday. This is where my hamper will be for my clothes. Up here will be for my towels and anything else that I have. This mirror was here already. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it there. I already cleaned the mirror. There's no water to clean this bathtub and shower. Look at the faucet that we have. It's old. Band-aids to cover where it had holes in it. His mom had hangers hanging up. This is how they left the house. And she had like a little refrigerator here, a freezer, where she kept her medicines and her drinks and stuff. She has like a Rolodex of addresses and phone numbers. Little cars that are still intact and brand new. Just little odds and ends. I found this in her little treasure chest. So this is cute. It's a flower pot. This is made in Japan. Let's go this way. New Orleans. Then this cool Avon type of cologne. It's like a car, like a, I don't know. I have no idea what kind of car it is. If you know, let me know in the comments down below.
It doesn't have a door.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to get a door for it. Okay, where's the living room set?
Here.
Oh,
Exercise machine. The door leading to the room.
I thought this thing was big.
You thought it was bigger?
Yeah.
No. Little iron deal there. Antique. It's heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Oh, yeah. Right there. This was lived in.
See, this one came on. That's what I forgot to get.
What,
Yeah.
a chair? There's chairs over there.
Yeah, but it took it for me. Mm.
Need to replace that aluminum up there. This is our carports. This is like 3 stalls for cars, trucks, but we're not going to put anything underneath yet. I'll be showing you the front area. This is the ramp that, this was Marcus's parents' house. This is the ramp where what he'll be using to go up the ramp with his wheelchair. The color on this house, well, I'm not gonna have blue. I don't like blue for the outside, so I'm gonna paint it a different color later on. I have to replace that up there. This is our front yard. There's a porch where Marcus will be sitting at. I'll show you the other side later on. Okay, so I am home now from cleaning the house that we're going to be moving into. I can't wait, but I still have a lot to do there. And I've already cleaned. I've already showed the before, and then I'll show the after of when I cleaned. I did a lot today. Saturday, my stepson will be coming, and my son will be helping take the big furniture to the house. So once that is done, Thursday we'll be moving in for sure. We might move there before that. I am not sure yet, but I know that we'll probably end up moving Sunday, this Sunday. I'll let you all know. I'll keep you updated. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. I will be updating you some more on how the house is going to look. It does need a lot of work, especially some on the inside, but more on the outside, like the landscape. And I'm waiting on my brother-in-law to come and get his stuff, since the house did belong to my mother-in-law. She passed away, which is my husband's mother. I say ex because I don't know why I said that, but because she passed and everything. So but yeah, we're tired, and I can just imagine how it's gonna be for us when we do move. We're gonna be even more tired until we get everything situated in that new house. I will be filming more of the house, you know, as soon as I get everything done, and you'll see what happens. Okay, bye-bye.